What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another JTLK vlog. Today's video is going to be one of its kind, as we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be stepping away from the lawn a little bit, and we're going to be doing something that has been a long time coming in my lawn and landscape. Long time coming. Shout out to my boy B Davis. Crispy edges, man. For those of you guys who've been watching for a while, you guys know my front landscaping has just been horrid to look at. Like, seriously, it's been bad, right? We haven't done anything to it. We haven't planted anything. We haven't even leveled it out, let alone put mulch or plants in there. So it's been pretty bad. The area is leveled poorly and all that. It's just, the landscaping's bad, to sum it up. It's terrible, right? So what we're going to be doing today is primping that up. Now, as you've seen in the intro of this video, I had quite a lot of prep work to do, such as moving a lot of dirt. So from here, what's going to be happening is what we're going to be doing in this landscape step by step to bring it from crap to beautiful literally within a day. And within this video, I'm not doing any of the work. As a matter of fact, I phoned in a friend from out west, pitched the idea to him. I was like, hey man, I would love to do a collaboration with you. What do you say you come out to my house, you do my landscaping, you design it, come up with all the ideas, and in exchange, I'll make this video promoting your business, and maybe we can do a little, mutual promotion on YouTube. And he was like, absolutely, man, let's do it. So, without further ado, let's get into the video, bro. All right, everybody, so it is time to get to work. You can see we got our special guest right here. Does he look familiar?
How's it going, guys?
It's Kristin with C&I Services out of, where are you out of in Illinois?
We're in the suburbs, like the western suburbs. So, Hinsdale, Oak Brook, all that area.
Oh, cool. Yeah, man, it's funny. My grandma lives in Illinois, in
That's
Crete area, so about
Yeah.
40 minutes from where you're at. So this is Kristin. You guys?
Yeah, so I'm Brandon Addison Ross Lawn Care. I'm from Illinois as well, Christian.
Nice.
I'm Marco Grande. I work with Christian Slagle for C&I.
Nice. Cool to meet you guys. And you can see he's got a pretty cool truck here. What's this, F-250?
It's a 350.
350, man,
Yeah.
That's a beast. Seriously, this is awesome. I mean, I got a Chevy over there, but we'll have to battle that one out eventually.
Yeah.
But anyway, look at this. Easy dumper. All the plants are back there. It's going to be a fun day. So, what do you think, guys? Ready to get to work?
Oh, yeah, ready to get to work.
All right, let's do it.
Guys, over here with Jake. Yeah. Doing Instagram.
What's up, man?
So we're doing some landscaping here at Jake the Lawn Kid's house.
That's right.
Double dark.
Double dark. That's right.
I like that hat.
Thanks, man.
But yeah, we're gonna get this place looking nice. Lawn's not the only thing that matters, right?
That's right. Need that curb appeal.
Yeah. All right, guys. At Jake's house. All this in. All these in. More to go. Looking good.
Alright guys, so we're here at Jake the Lawn Kid's house doing a little bit of a landscape install with C&I Services here. So, got everything going in. We're going to do some cobblestone edging, a lot of mulch. There's Jake. Everything is looking nice, man.
Last year we went to Florida in the summer. We went like, let's see, it was like 90, 95 degrees, 900% humidity. It was terrible. All right, so later in the afternoon here, things are kind of winding down here. Landscaping's getting done. We got a little bit more mulch to go, and then we'll officially be done there. We got some cobblestone. Got some cobblestone too, and that'll officially be done. And then, look at that. We got the boys over there. They're they're having fun on the mower. So.
How is it?
Pretty nice, pretty comfortable.
Awesome. Thank you.
Amazing.
Suspension? Yeah.
So yeah, having a great time. And then Kristin here, he's doing me a solid. He's going to be ripping, he's going to be using his truck and ripping out this ugly thing right here. Originally I was going to keep it, but after seeing it with all the new plants, it just seems so disproportionate and honestly misplaced. So we're going to take this bush out.
All right, whenever you're ready, man. Go ahead. Look at the root ball on that thing, John Perry.
So yeah, it's very cool. Kristin and I, we're on the way to get some mulch right now. And it's very cool that we can trust Brandon and Marco to productively get some stuff done when we're gone. So yeah, I think they'll take care of us, right?
Yeah, it should take care
Yeah,
of
no
us.
problem. Yeah, they seem like really nice, reliable guys, so we'll be good.
All right, so we're at Jake's house right now. Christian and Jake just went off to get more mulch. We just finished mulching this entire bed right here. Planted that tree, planted these bushes right here. We got the rocks looking nice. When we get back, we hope the rocks are gonna go all the way around it. We don't know where that bush is gonna go yet, but you know, we'll probably try to fit it in there or something. I don't really know, but
Now in the meantime, we're gonna race some lawnmowers.
yes, sir.
Here at Elsup. Back at Elsup again.
Bro, Fords are so much better than Chevys. It's crazy. If you get a Chevy, you're a tasteless being. Fords are much better. Yeah, I'm looking at all the Chevy people with hate.
So, what do we do now? We just wait.
Yeah,
Yeah,
wait for the mulch.
Just gotta wait for it now.
You ready?
Come on with the mulch. Where is it? Been here for 20 minutes. I thought the construction was bad.
Yeah.
We've been here for a while.
Yeah.
They better hurry up. Yeah, honk that freaking horn.
The slowest race ever.
So there you go, guys. Pretty great day. So before I sign off here, I want to go ahead and just say once again a big thank you to Kristin Smogel from C&I Services for coming out from Clarington, Illinois, I believe it's called. It's about an hour away from me. Coming out of his way to help me out with the landscaping here. I wouldn't have been able to do this without your help. Now, I probably would have, but it wouldn't be as good as it is for sure. So once again, big thanks to my buddy Kristin Smogel for coming out here, as well as Brandon and Marco, his helpers. Thank you guys very much for coming out here. It means a lot to me that you guys actually took time out of your day to come out here just to meet me and help me make this dream of mine to have a beautiful landscape here in my front yard come true. So yeah, big thanks to you guys. couldn't have done it without you. So that's all I have for you guys today. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought about it. And if you haven't, please subscribe to the channel, and I will show you how to get the deepest, darkest, greenest lawn on the block. And hopefully some more landscape content, as we do have to maintain these bushes here over the next few months. So yeah, that's more content to come up. Make sure you subscribe for that. Oh yeah, one more thing. I probably forgot to mention this, but I will leave all of the social media information down below for all of my buddies that came out today and again helped out the landscape. I will leave all of their social media information down below for those who want to follow along on their endeavors here in the green industry. All right, I guess that's it. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video.